Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. To this video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, so please don't forget to comment me down which room decor, which is the best room decor. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see the small place. You can keep your small beautiful plants and all you can keep here. Looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful painting the wall, also very beautiful design and decoration, and the floor also very beautiful. And it's also very beautiful wall decoration. You can see the wall and all very beautiful decoration of wall. You can see the down the wall. It's also very beautiful wall, the cupboards and all very beautiful decoration, the curtains and all looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the bed, and the painting is very beautiful. It's like you were sitting in jungle. It is looking very beautiful in forest. It's also very beautiful decoration. You can see the back side, the side mirror also very beautiful. It's looking very good. And this also you can see the very beautiful wall decoration, the floor and all very beautiful. You can see the, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the bed and all, and looking very beautiful decoration. You can see looking very good. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the roof, the painting and all very beautiful decoration, looking very good. And so also you can see the beautiful decoration of, maybe it is an office or it is like a home inside them do decoration. And so also you can see the wall and all very beautiful decoration, looking very good decoration, the wall alone and the roof looking very good. And so also you can see the beautiful lights and all on the floor, the mirror, the curtains and all very beautiful decoration, looking very good. And this also you can see the wall, the sides wall, the white color, the floor also beautiful decoration, the wooden theme, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall and all looking very good, very beautiful decoration. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the floor and all very beautiful decoration, very beautiful design also. But the construction is going on, but looking very beautiful. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful decoration. You can see the wall, green color wall, the mirrors and all very beautiful. You can see in the floor, the walls on the wall is also very beautiful. Good decorations. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment and press the bell icon when I post my new video. You get the notification first. And we should decor. Don't forget to comment me. Thank you for watching.